Check out our documents and contract update. Now you have new optional items. This feature is going to allow your business to include optional items, enabling greater flexibility in pricing and customization, thereby streamlining your quoting process. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to make flexible pricing an option. Now your business can offer optional items within their quotes. It's going to enhance customization because now your business can tailor quotes to individual clients. It's also going to create improved clarity. Now your business can provide transparent and comprehensive quotes. As far as practical use goes, I think this is where the real understanding of this feature update comes in. Now you can create a quote with optional add-ons, like maybe social media management or email campaigns, giving flexibility to choose those add-on services that best suit your client's actual needs. So first of all, you're going to need to create a new document or you're going to need to edit one. So this is going to happen within payments and then documents or contracts. You will choose whichever one is best suited for you. And you're either going to choose plus new or you're going to click the three-dot kebab to edit an existing contract or document. Now you're going to add a product list element. So you're going to click on the plus icon and you're going to go to the product list. Now you're going to click on add an item. From there, you're going to select the products and the price by selecting that item, inputting the price, and then clicking add item. You're now going to have the ability to make that product an optional item. And what you're going to do is under properties, you're going to toggle on the new optional item toggle. This option is going to allow them to be able to choose or not choose this when they finalize their agreement. Now you can also enable quantity editing. So this is also under the properties, and this is also another new toggle that you're going to be able to add and subtract with a minimum and a maximum quantity. This feature is going to empower your business to create customizable quotes that meet the unique needs of your clients, fostering transparency, flexibility, and better communication in the quoting process. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.